which is your favorite color versus what is your favorite color. What's the difference? Everybody, when I'm asking which is your favorite color, I want you to choose only from a fixed set of color. Okay. Whereas when I'm saying what is your favorite color, I want you to name any color from the world. Okay. So that's the difference. Which gives you a specific set, a choice, whereas what is an open question with endless responses possible. What's the difference between will and would? Everybody, both of these words are used to talk about future. But here is a slight difference. We use will when we are 100% sure of something. For an example, I will come to your place. They will go to doctor. They will throw a dinner party, etc. So we are 100% sure about these situations. Whereas we use would when we are not sure about something which might happen. Okay? For an example, it would rain tomorrow. I would come to your dinner party as I have a lot of work to finish, etc. So, will, when you're 100% sure about the future event, and would, when you're not 100% sure about the future event. How many books do you have or how much books do you have? Everybody, we use how many to talk about things that are countable, that we can count. For an example, 2 chairs, 5 books, 10 bags, 20 notepads, etc. Whereas if I talk about water, air, love, etc., we can't count them, right? I can't say that I have 2 water with me. I can certainly say that I have 2 water bottles, but water I cannot count, right? Same goes for air. I can't say I have, there is 10 air around me. No, I'll say that there is lots of air around me and I feel fresh. Okay, so these are uncountable things. And for them, we use how much, not how many. Okay, so similar goes for ideas. How many ideas do you have? I have 10 ideas running in my mind. Okay, who's the Prime Minister of India? Who's the Prime Minister of India? Which question is correct? Everybody, both these words sound exactly the same, but they have different meaning. When I say whose, it means something belongs to somebody. For an example, whose bag is it? Whose keys are these? Whose bottle is it? Etc. Okay, whereas when I say whose, it has an apostrophe and it's a contraction of who is or who has. For an example, who's the Prime Minister of India? Here I am saying, who is the Prime Minister of India? Okay. The other one being, who's been to a new restaurant? Here, I have contracted who has, where it means who has been to the new restaurant, etc. Everybody. Who should I tell or whom should I tell? Which one is correct? Everybody, a very quick way to remember the usage of whom is to find out how the sentence is getting ended. If the sentence is getting ended with him, her, or them, then we will use whom to form a question. For an example, you should go and tell her. So, what will be the question? We will use whom should I tell? Okay, now if the sentence is starting with he, she, or they, we will use who to form a question. For an example, who ate my sandwich? She ate your sandwich. Okay, the next one, everybody, is that I want to meet her. Now, should I use who in the question or whom? I'm sure you picked whom, right? So, who should I meet? You should meet her. The next one, everybody, I told her. Now, what will be the question? Who did you tell or whom did you tell? I hope you chose the second one. Whom did you tell? So, whom did you tell? I told her. And that's how we will form the question. Here is a question for you. Let me know in the comment box. I believe her. So, what will be the question? Who or whom?